The post-2000 generation is really bold. The family gave him $300,000 to buy a new car, but he turned around and got this 2009 Lexus LS 570, and even spent extra money to upgrade it to its current state, repainting the whole car white. It sounds unbelievable, considering these two cars are over 10 years apart in age, and the upgraded result is not from the same era at all. But I just love this kind of challenging hardcore restoration.
No more nonsense. Just do it. First, replace the rear triangular glass.
Weld the new fender.
The car body and chassis are separated. Start comparing the front gap.
Install new high-quality kits. The finished product is at the end. Don't rush. First, look at the renovation process. The gap alignment is complete, and all sheet metal parts are polished strictly according to the BASF Silver Warrior process. Now we begin spraying the Silver Warrior water-based paint. We will first spray 2 layers of base color, then 2 layers of crystal color, and finally 2 layers of clear coat to finish, achieving this effect. According to the car owner's request, the car paint color is changed from black to white.
After painting the car shell, we handle the chassis, starting with clean.
Some people say that mud can form a natural protective layer to prevent the chassis from rotting and rusting, so what is this situation then? A large number of root screws have all rusted into lumps. Spray some penetrating oil and start disassembling.
The electric cannon almost started smoking on me. The steering gear bushing is aged and all the oil is leaked out.
After dismantling the chassis, clean it again and start laser rust removal.
The effect after rust removal?
Sandblasting the screws to remove rust. Anti-oxidation spray paint.
A large amount of industrial anti-rust paint is sprayed.
Inject wax into the internal cavity.
The chassis has been completely refurbished, all the bushings have been replaced, and the 6-piston calipers have been upgraded. It's time to start assembling the car. The new bushings look comfortable, and they will definitely feel more comfortable to use.
Mark all screws with the original factory torque.
Beautiful, right? Start installing the calipers.
Replace 4 new tires. Don't forget the wheel balancing.
The car body is combined with the chassis. Comparison of the chassis before and after refurbishment.
clean the car shell.
Replace the clip. Organize the wiring harness. Refurbish the frame.
The evaporator box wiring harness has also been cleaned and reorganized.
Unboxing the new interior. The plug can be connected without damage, and functions are tested while installing to avoid any issues.
Hunter four-wheel alignment in the United States, restoring the original factory data of the chassis.
One-hour rain test to ensure a perfect seal with no leaks. Fill up the fuel, prepare for a road test. The fuel gauge hasn't hit bottom, but I've added a lot. Without some capability, it's really hard to maintain. The average fuel consumption is almost 30, truly worthy of being a big brother's ride. Let's first test it for 200 kilometers. Some say it's better to push it into the sea than to refurbish it, while others think it's getting a big job done for a small price. Not everyone can afford the renovation cost of over 100,000. If the owner is willing to spend, just enjoy watching. Upgrades aren't about status, as long as you love to show off.